posted an article before looking at the use of magnesium to help people with tinnitus. Now, that's great. It's another study on one vitamin for one thing, which is how medical studies usually go. They just only do one thing at a time. The point here at Natural Health is the body needs all the minerals and all the vitamins to be healthy. So there's a lot more going on than just using one thing. The other question is too, what form are they using of magnesium? Is it in a food source, or is it from a coal tar vitamin? Is it a synthetic? What's going on? Also, can the body absorb the minerals if the digestive system is not working correctly? So a lot of things going on there that have to be addressed to make sure that a person stays healthy. And that's what we do at Natural Health, is figure out what does it take for that person to be healthy. What do they need to be healthy? Not just try this, that, the other thing. So we're here to help. Give us a call, 217-228-2040. Remember, don't worry, be healthy. Thanks.